Keep it simple. Focus on what matters most. Clear, easy-to-follow instructions that help your team get the job done. It all starts with recording an expert or operator walking through the procedure. Ask them to move slower than usual and narrate each step. 1 hour a week is all it takes, a consistent rhythm of capture and creation without slowing down the business. Once your videos are ready, drop them into Manifest Maker. With one click, the auto-generate function goes to work, slicing your video into steps, adding notes, and building the framework for your procedure. AI can give you a head start, but precision still needs the human touch. That's why Manifest Maker lets you instantly refine and perfect every detail. Then take it further. Add marked up images for clarity, layer in references, or bring in existing manuals and PDFs. Each can be bookmarked directly to the relevant step, giving users all the context they need exactly when they need it. Now, let's take a quick moment to review what you have put together. Once you have the procedure the way you want it, it's just a simple click to send it over to Manifest for approval and operation. Once inside Manifest, managers assign the newly created procedures for immediate operational use and automatic record keeping. The time to value here is amazing. In less than a day, teams can capture their expertise, turn it into a procedure, and launch it globally with a single click. From here, it's pure flow. Intuitive, swipe through step-by-step instructions, guide users with easy-to-follow videos, text, photos, and PDFs all in one seamless motion. Complete a step, tap Done, and Manifest quietly logs everything in the background: who did it, how long it took, what evidence was captured, and where improvements can be made. When your team is ready, a single toggle unlocks augmented reality features, giving overlay guidance directly into the user's workspace. No waiting for the perfect headset or being concerned about new hardware adoption. Start today on the devices you already have. Digitize your instructions now and gain the benefits immediately. Fewer errors, faster onboarding, and a workforce that's more confident than ever. Best of all, with the rapid rise of AR and MR headsets, every piece of content you create today is already future-ready, instantly compatible with the next generation of devices, delivering even greater value to your users when you're ready to take that next technological step. Manifest, adding value today and built for the tools of tomorrow.